everyone, welcome to Varna Garden. I'm Vandana and today's video is not about Raji. Instead, it's about the Amaryllis seed pod that was just harvested. Last evening while I was watering my plants, I came across the Amaryllis pot and to my surprise, I saw the seed pod had opened. And I did not have time to secure it like I had mentioned it on my stories by putting a plastic cover. I just quickly took my cousin's help, cut the stalk that was still attached to the seed pod, and then kept it in this plastic box. So today I am just showing how it looks. I have been mentioning it looks like a giant rain lily seed pod, and that's exactly how it is. This is from the cross pollination of a single petal red amaryllis which bore the seed pod. So that is the mom, pod parent, and the pollen parent, the father, was the double petal amaryllis. So successful cross pollination of that has yielded me these seeds. I'm definitely going to be sowing a few of them. The remaining seeds I will be putting it up for sale, so if you're interested, keep an eye out for that sale post. That's it everyone, thank you for watching. I hope you found it as exciting as I did. I'll see you in another video. Until then, happy gardening. Bye from me and Raji.